Wow, I found something I'm going to recommend, and whoever wants to watch that, you guys should really watch this. This doesn't just describe me, but it says in words that I didn't know how to say what I've been trying to what you're missing, I guess, nowadays. Let's see if I can play this.
You open your laptop. Your IDE greets you. Autocomplete is already suggesting the next 3 lines of code you haven't written yet. You pull a library from the internet in 4 seconds. You push a mistake, and a red squiggly line immediately tells you exactly where you went wrong. Now imagine all of that is gone. No IDE, no autocomplete, no Stack Overflow, no package manager, no internet at all. You sit down in front of a beige box with a glowing green cursor, a stack of floppy disks on your left, a thick, spiral-bound manual on your right, and a screen that will show you absolutely nothing useful until you earn it. This is what learning to code in the 1980s actually looked like. And the question isn't whether it was harder. It obviously was. The real question is this: would you have survived it? Or, more importantly, would surviving it have made you a fundamentally different kind of programmer than you are today? The machine doesn't owe you anything. The first thing you need to understand about 1980s computing is that the machine was not on your side. You turned the computer on and you were already inside a programming environment, whether you wanted to be or not. There was no desktop to distract you, no browser, no social media, no temptation to look something up. There was only the prompt, the manual, and you. And here's what that environment did to your brain. It forced you to think before you typed. Every line cost you something: time, mental effort, and occasionally, your entire afternoon's work. There was no Control+Z that could rescue you from a bad decision. There was no version control quietly preserving every previous state. If you made a catastrophic mistake, you started over. That condition doesn't just change how you code. It changes how you think about code. You develop a discipline that is almost impossible to acquire in a forgiving modern environment. You didn't Google the error, you decoded it.
Anyway, I'm going to place the link. Yeah, I'm going to try to place it in the description or comments or somewhere, but I highly recommend you watch this video.